Hi, welcome back to my vlog, Peace of Life. And if you are new here, hello. And if you're coming back, thank you. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you as part of my friend family. Okay, so quickly, I had talked about this video. I did like a quick little review. And then I wanted to do, I said I would come back and do something what fits in the bag, because it is a mini bag and I think people get really concerned about like, how much will actually fit in it. But this is the mini bag of your dream. Again, this does come with just in case you didn't see my other video, it does come with a crossbody, which I'll show you. Beautiful chain and leather, but this is how I'm gonna carry it. It's the Prada re-edition 2006, not to be mistaken with the 2005. I love it because I had barely seen anybody carry it, so I am so excited about it. Okay, so we're gonna do this a little bit different. Instead of me pulling what out of my bag, I'm gonna show you what fits in my bag as I put it in. So there is, ooh, a dollar bill, y'all. Okay, so it's really roomy inside. If you see, it fits a lot, even though it looks mini. So even if you have the bigger iPhone, so I have the smaller one, but this that I use more on the daily, but this is the bigger one. So look at this, fits in here. Boom, tons of room. Okay, then this is just the card holder I have. This was Louis Vuitton and Supreme like collaboration. It's super old, but I like that it's red because if you have a darker bag, it's easier to find it in. So you could fit a little small wallet too. Fits car keys, obviously, perfectly in there. I always like a little snack if I'm on the go. I love these bars. I don't know if you've ever tried them. They're called the Think Thin bars. I just get them at Trader Joe's, and they're really good even at night if you want a little dessert. And I have a sweet tooth, so there's lots of protein. So they're somewhat good for you, but it's nice to have a little bar. And I like to keep mine in the refrigerator too, so they're nice and cold. Okay, you gotta have your hand sanitizer. This one's just from Trader Joe's. It's the lavender. I love it. It smells so good. Even if you're traveling or on a plane, it's nice to spray it in the air, but like this is after you pump gas, after you get out of even before I take my mask off, I put sanitizer on my hand and then take the mask off, so that fits in here. Then I have a little perfume that my friend gave me. I think I'm gonna pronounce this right, Le Beau, and it's the number 25. It smells so delicious. I smelled it on her and she got me one. So that fits in here. Then the same friend, who's amazing, got me this little roller ball. It's like lavender. I'm sorry, shaking here. And you just roll it on your wrist and it smells like lavender. So I like to carry that. It's nice to have if you're feeling stressed. It says calmer here, a restful blend. So that was really nice of her. You can put some on your neck, on your wrist. That fits in here. And then I like to carry my inhaler now that it's allergy season. And then don't forget your mask. That fits in here. I usually just leave it on my car seat, but just so you know, a mask. And I don't know if it's just me, but I've seen people in the store not wearing a mask. I don't know. I mean, I got vaccinated, but I'm still wearing a mask, but I don't know if that's something new. So anyway, I'm still wearing a mask until I'm told not to. But I have been vaccinated, and so has my mom, and we haven't had any side effects. My arm was a little sore. I got it in my right arm is my dominant arm, but I got it in my left arm. They do say that if you get it, move your arm around a little, but I didn't have any problems as far as feeling sick or anything. But again, getting off subject. Okay, so, but if you know me here, I do that. So look how much stuff fits in here, you guys. That is crazy, y'all. Look at that. Bam. And then you can clasp it. Look at that. Boom. Ready to go. Look how cute this is. I mean, this is it, you guys. I love this bag. Again, I did another video just talking about the bag. This is what I wanted to show you, what fits in it, because it's insane how much fits in it. And then again, so I just want to talk about what I'm wearing it with. I'm having a love affair with J. Crew, like I said in my last video, but this is a J. Crew necklace, pearl. This is also just like a chain. This one's actually on sale. Then I always wear my cross. This is actually from J. Crew too. It's like a little lion ring. They don't have it anymore. I wish they did, because I've gotten lots of compliments on it. I wouldn't mind getting it for a gift for a friend. And then I have it paired back with this H&M Yummy vest sweater, which is so great. You can wear this with bicycle shorts. It looks really cute with a pair of cutoff jean shorts and just like sandals, slide. Also, it looks cute with a collared shirt underneath it, like maybe a white. I like mixing like whites. Like this is more cream and then a white shirt, or you could do like a blue and white striped shirt under it. It's just really fun. I have it paired back today with my Levi ribcage jeans. If you don't have these, you need them. They're the highest waisted jeans that Levi's done. They're called the ribcage Levi jeans. These ones are just, they're a little bit looser on me now, which I kind of like. But I might get another pair because I just love them so much. This pair has a hole in them, but they don't all have that. I love it. And then they're button fly, which I love. I mean, this is like true blue Levi. But look how cute this is. I'll untuck it just so you can see this too. It's nice and roomy. I got it oversized. I want to say, and it comes down low here. I want to say I got it in a large or a medium. It's supposed to be oversized, but it looks really cute with bicycle shorts and then a pair of trainers, or like maybe a dad sandal. Again, you can wear this. It looks really cute too with like a pair of wide leg jeans. Like that's really in right now. You can do it with like just shorts, but I wanted to show you how I was wearing it today. Cause I've seen a lot of videos where they say they like to see how people are actually styling it, you know, like, which I think which totally makes sense. Cause a lot of times I see a bag and I'm just like, oh, I want to see, like I'll go to the website and see how the model has it. But this is it. You saw how much fit in there. It's kind of crazy. And then again, it does come with a crossbody. Okay, I'm gonna pop this on because just in case you didn't see my prior video, it does come into a crossbody. It's a really great price point. And if you don't wanna get the 2005, because kind of everybody has it, I think the 2006 is great. So look how cute this is. So again, just on the shoulder, then you can do it. We're gonna do a crossbody, because I just feel like this time of year, everybody needs to be hands-free. And then also, I love it, again, even with the chain, when I carry it like this, I love it. Just how the chain hangs. It comes with this silver, and it's a really good weight. I mean, it feels really rich, the hardware. And then I love that it has like the little leather here, or you can remove it. But this is like, if you want a grab and go bag, they should, I mean, it is seriously hashtag grab and go. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to come back and show you what fits in your bag. And then my hair, again, because someone had asked me, I use the, which I'm not that great at it yet, but I use the 3-prong curling iron. I got it from Amazon. It was very cheap. It was under $20. It's a pink one with the black handle. But if you kind of just want to do a beachy look, you know, and then you can kind of like, it's easier too. And then you can just like, I saw someone else have their hair just like kind of tucked behind their ear, look really cute. So just something different, because now that my hair is growing out, I really don't know how to style it anymore, because it used to be so much shorter. But that's it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Again, if you like my video, please subscribe, come back and see me. If you have any questions about anything that I'm wearing, or sizes, or anything about the bag. Like I said, I have not purchased a bag in so long, and this bag, as soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it. It really does look like a little croissant. Again, it has that little rouging here, and it does come in camel, and I think a mint green, but I love the black. Like if I bought more luxury bags, I think I would definitely buy the camel, but because I'm limited to that, I like the basic colors right now. I think when you can start buying like the colorful stuff is like when you have, you know, the bank for it and you kind of like build your collection. But I always like the starting with just like the basic. And this is really like, I don't know, it feels like this is like Prada, you know, the black nylon bag is just such a classic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's short and sweet. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video. It means the world to me. So enjoy your day. My vlog is called Peace of Life. Do something peaceful for yourself, big or small. You deserve it. Take some time and just enjoy yourself, or do something nice for someone else today. It makes a big difference. You would not believe how just the smallest thing, like a compliment or a phone call, or send somebody a card today. Like on the weekends, I love like sending little cards or notes, or just leaving a little voice message. Yeah, but most of all, do something for yourself. You're important, you matter. You need to recharge yourself. You know, you can't give if you're not giving to yourself. So start with yourself and then just let that energy flow. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.